and are interested at creating such products. Now we move over to medical device manufacturers who will be telling us a little bit more about their business. Thank you so much, Ashraf, for taking the time to talk to us. Tell me a little bit more about your business.
Okay, so Medical Device Manufacturers South Africa is an association of companies that manufacture medical devices in South Africa. We have about 64 members, between 64 and 85 members, in a highly regulated industry that is very competitive. We were established in the year 2007 as a local manufacturing council, and now we are completely independent as an independent company representing all medical device manufacturers in South Africa. So an example of some of the products that are manufactured, masks and respirators, which is my own company, where we have global patents on masks and respirators during COVID and lockdowns. Then we have our chair ladies company, which produces sanitizers. We have many other, so if you look up here in the cabinet here, in our showcase, we have many other manufacturers. We have South Africa's first biomedical plant, which is coming into South Africa, BioExxon South Africa, for real-time quantitative polymerase chain reaction DNA testing, and food testing, water testing, animal testing, human health testing. We have some of our other manufacturers producing closed wound suction units like Acacia Medical. We have class-leading or global leading brands like Southern Implants, who are actually South African companies producing implants for your mouth. We have IV and drip lines. So we are able to compete internationally and locally as medical device manufacturers of South Africa. But more importantly, it's about buying local and about procuring locally manufactured products that comply to the standards, that comply to the SABC standards, and ensuring you as a woman or as a man, when you go into a public hospital, you get the right amount of palliative care and ensure that you are well looked after. That's why we are here, and that's why we call Medical Device Manufacturers South Africa.
Thank you so much for your time, Ashraf. That was Ashraf from Medical Device Manufacturers, giving us an intake of the creation or the manufacturing of medical devices in South Africa and locally procuring them. Back to you in studio.